Well, hello, Shiny Crafty People, and welcome back to the channel. Tim Totten here, and today I'm responding to a video that was made by our friends over at Kachi Vachi. I'll put a link down in the description below. Jordan and Jared did a challenge called Husband Sews, where he is sewing different things, and he decided to sew one of the masks that I created. And in the video, he took about 20 minutes to put together something that was very close to what I had created, but he tried to do it right along with me in the video, and you know I sew kind of fast. I said in the video that I could do it in one of these in about 4 minutes, and he questioned me whether or not that was even possible because it took him 20 and he still had some problems. So I'm gonna do exactly what he did, but use a timer and put it on the screen. I'm gonna use 2 pieces of fabric, 8.5 by 9.5, and 2 7-inch pieces of elastic already cut. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like if I can do it in 4 minutes like I said it can be done. So let's get started. And I will start the clock right about now. Now, I will adjust the way I make this one compared to the way I made the last one because I found some better ways to do it recently, but they're going to be minimal changes, nothing too drastic. I'm not going to sew around the entire thing right now. I'm going to point out the corners and just sew the top and the bottom edge, and then the other edges will get sewn in when I put in the elastic. So I'm just pointing out those 4 corners. That's taking a lot longer than it really needs to. And I'm using black thread, although I might want to use white thread in the future. Just to make it look nicer. Okay, I'm going to fold this in half. And in half again, so I find the point, right? And then I fold that. How did I do it before? Oh, I opened it, folded it in half there. The center point is right about there. Fold that open. This is going to come over to about the 2/3 point. I'll put a little pin on the other side of it just to get that accurate, and these have to flop open so that I can go over it. And it's going to come down. That's at about the 2/3 point. I'm going to take my elastic, put it in here, squeeze it down to the bottom, get that hole open, holy cow. All right, I'm right at about 3 minutes. I only have 1 more minute left, which all I have left to do is this seam, so I should actually be fine. All right, that is the finished piece. And I actually have a little bit of time left to clip my threads, which is something I will tell you that Jared didn't do. Haha, Jared. And in less than 4 minutes, we have a finished mask, which is going to go like this on my face. Now there's that look. I particularly like this one flipped inside out though, which is to go like this version. And you know, if I was gonna put a nose wire in it, it would take a little longer. But yeah, that's pretty good for a mask that I did in less than 4 minutes. Made start to finish. Now, had I actually stopped to cut the squares out, the 8.5 by 9.5 inch square, and cut the elastics out, it would have taken a little longer. But I just wanted to show you, Jared, that it is possible to do this in a very short period of time. All right, folks, if you have not heard before, please like and subscribe to this channel, like the video. That helps me in the YouTube algorithm. You can also subscribe to the channel by clicking the little button that says subscribe, and you can click that bell icon, and that'll actually notify you when I have new videos made. Now, I'm making more than just mask videos. Yes, of course, I'm making mask videos, but I've also been making sure I pepper in, like every other video, is something that's like a standard item that you can make that is like a, what's the right word? A craft project, something fun. And I've been doing a lot of stuff made out of store-bought placemats, which is also a lot of fun, and that's really been exciting. We've done some, also have a series of store-bought quilt hacks. So I bought a quilt from Walmart and have been cutting up this $30 quilt into a bunch of stuff. So far we've made placemats out of that. It's funny because I've been taking placemats and making other things out of them, but I also can make placemats out of this store-bought quilt. So if you get a design you really love in a store-bought quilt, you can turn it into placemats so things match. I've also made a cover for a toaster. There's not a video out yet, but it'll be out soon. It's a casserole carrier with cool wooden handles. That one's gonna be a lot of fun. That's coming out soon. And we're gonna do a couple other things like an iPad holder and a, like an iPad holder slash, you know, what's the right word? Laptop computer, notebook computer holder, and a couple of the really great things that are fun to do. And those will be a lot of fun. Those are my store-bought quilt series. And then the placemat series, I have some really fun stuff. An art pencil or pen caddy that's coming. There's a special carrier for that. There's so much cool stuff coming from those things. I've been really enjoying making the mask videos, of course, because I like showing you all the real easy designs that you can make. But you know what? I gotta tell you, I've also really, really enjoyed showing you how to make other things, because my channel is really designed for people who maybe have basic sewing skills and have been making masks, or people who don't have a lot of basic sewing skills. They just started making masks because they saw a need, and now they're sort of excited by sewing and want to know what else they can do. Well, if you're one of those people, this is the channel for you. So please stay with us, watch for upcoming videos, and like and subscribe for more. Again, my name is Timothy Totten. I am so glad that I could bring you this video to show Jared from Kachi Vachi that it is possible to make this offset 3D mask with no pattern in less than 4 minutes. Please enjoy making this mask from the previous video. I'll link that in the description as well. Go check out Kachi Vachi's channel. They have an awesome channel. They're so much fun. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye for now. Oh, I really like the way this has the two different fabrics. Look, these are two batiks. Oh, it's so good. All right.